Selasa tanggal 21 Mei 2024. Kita berada di rumah native, rumah tua usia 270 tahun, dan ini adalah rumah untuk keluarga. Ibu dan anak-anak tinggal sendiri, tapi untuk laki-laki yang setelah 5 tahun harus pindah di tempat tersendiri.
Masak juga di dalam.
Mereka tidur di sini, mereka masak, dan tadi sudah ada foto yang di dalamnya ada tempat untuk memasak memang.
Ini peninggalan masa lalu dari Filipina, adalah rumahnya bangsa Filipina masa lalu, disebut dengan Diwang.
Okay, you can start.
This house is a granary house and ritual house where they put the harvest rice inside. During harvest time, they remove the things under the native house, then they put the mat like this, and then they bring out the jar with wine, and they begin to perform ritual, then after that, begin to harvest. This house is more than 300 years old.
Oh,
An old house of our grandfather, then we inherit, but then we maintain it. And here you could see some skull that they use for ritual.
for
They
ritual.
did not use for ritual, they throw it away. That's
Oh,
why here, at the other side, you could see some skull, here, skull of pig. And here,
300 years.
here, an old shield of the people before. And here you could see Japanese skull
Japan.
during World War II.
World War II skull.
Oh, you observe Japanese, their jaw is white, as like this. That's why Japanese
Jawnya
skull.
putih.
Japanese skull. Apanya?
Japanese scalp
So
ini
this is Japanese.
World War
Itu.
II.
Only
Ini
two.
scalpnya, rahangnya putih tuh.
Oh. Ini kena tembak kali.
Ya.
Kepalanya.
And Sir Carabao.
Kalau bang.
Kunin lang yung skull.
Jaw, right.
Oh, white.
As like
Bukan white. White to lebar.
This Carabao for used for
Ritual.
During is a big ritual, we call that Inbayak or Dinukdo.
after a good harvest.
Yes. And they butcher 3 Carabao and 9 pig. Then whole community will join
It's different from Kanyao.
this area.
The same.
Kanyao in Mountain Province.
Ah,
Here
yeah.
our place is Imbaya.
Oh, Impaya.
They bring out the gong, then the then people will dance here.
Oh,
Native dance. Native
dance.
Kiwang.
And this house, what do you call this?
Alang.
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 Not ulog.
Not Ulog.
This is Alang.
Alang.
Ulog is in Mountain Province dialect. As here in Ifugao, Alang.
Alang.
Alang. Granary house.
And what's inside this one?
You could see inside the old things. We call that bulor.
Bulor.
It's a good luck of the harvest. And you could see their spoon, their wooden spoon, wooden bowl. You could go inside, you could take photo inside.
And the wood is made of what?
Nara wood, some
Nara.
are Molabi wood.
And this is 300 years old?
The house.
The house?
The house.
What's your name?
Noel Balenga.
How old are you?
I'm now 70 years old.
Oh, 70 years old already. Okay.
And here at the other side, family house. You
Family
could go
house.
in. They cook inside, they sleep inside.
Oh, yeah.
So different.
Cook
yeah.
inside.
This is a
Oh,
family
yeah.
house.
Children, boys, have
inside.
Yeah. The stove. The stove. You can go up.
They sleep with their
You
mother.
can go inside. So like apartment now. Like apartment. Like apartment.
Before.
Pardon?
We have no road.
Native house?
Yeah. Full of native house. And the big house, Ogon roof, is Japanese headquarter.
Mm.
I'm going inside. This is a family house. The ladies and children will be sleeping here,
Not dark, so that rats will not come up.
and but the boys will not sleep over here.
And no
Only
termites.
the mother and the little children. They sleep here. They also cook here.
So, no termites. No termites. For this week.
Assalamualaikum.
You could go inside if you want.
Wala mo kung bakit ang daga hindi nakakaakyat.
Sige, ito nga, may rat control siya eh, right?
Mga hapon. Stove. By the Japanese.
They put the charcoal and
It's
the
made of what?
made of
Clay.
clay. Ay, metal.
Metal.